The most annoying foot problem is, by far, nail fungus. Anyone who's ever experienced it before knows how hard it can be to get rid of this fungal infection. Nail fungus is tedious, embarrassing, and just plain difficult to deal with. However, this simple foot soak, along with the lifestyle recommendations below, can help you get rid of that nasty infection once and for all. Nail fungus may cause your nail to discolor, thicken, and crumble at the edge. The condition typically affects toenails. Over time, it can cause pain and spread to other nails and onto your skin. Even if you cure it successfully, the fungus can come back. I will show you this 2-ingredient mix is all you need to get rid of nail fungus for good. Vinegar has been a popular non-invasive way to treat nail fungus for the past few centuries. It's quite acidic, which is how it kills fungus, but it will need to be diluted not to irritate the skin. You'll need 1 basin large enough for your feet, warm water as hot as you can handle, half a cup of baking soda, several cups of apple cider vinegar. Here are the instructions. First, add the apple cider vinegar and water to the basin in a ratio of 1 cup of vinegar for every 2 cups of water. Make sure that the mixture covers your nails. Allow your feet to soak for about 20 minutes. Dry your feet thoroughly with a clean towel. Empty, rinse, and dry the basin. Fill the basin again with warm water, making sure that the water covers your feet and nails. Add about a half a cup of baking soda to the water and mix. Soak your feet for another 15 to 20 minutes. Then dry your feet thoroughly with a fresh, clean towel. Repeat several times per day as needed. You should always keep your nails and cuticles trimmed, cleaning your nail clippers or scissors before and after each use. It's also a good idea to brush nails with tea tree oil every day to help fight fungus in between treatments. Tea tree oil is a great natural anti-fungicide. So, how can you avoid getting it again? Clean your nail clippers and foot hygienic tools. Hydrogen peroxide works well for that. If you paint your toes, throw out your nail polish and refrain from pedicures until a few months after your nail is fully healed. 2. Clean all your shoes, sandals, and boots. Dish soap and hot water works for most materials, but you can also use antibacterial shoe spray. Equal parts water and vinegar works well, or shoe powder. 3. Always wear clean socks. If your toenail fungus was particularly bad, you might want to wash all your socks separately to make sure they aren't contaminated. 4. Wash your feet. If you're prone to toenail fungus or athlete's foot, take some extra time in the shower to wash your toes. You may also benefit from weekly relaxing foot soaks and monthly preventative vinegar soaks. 5. Keep your feet dry and clean. Make sure you dry your feet properly, especially between the toes, and use talcum powder. Choose socks that wick moisture away. Change them regularly and make sure your shoes fit well. They should be made of something that lets air move through it, like canvas, mesh, or leather. Also, make sure to wear shower shoes in wet public places like locker rooms and swimming pools. Toe fungus is annoying and embarrassing. If you find yourself unable to control your foot health on your own, book an appointment with a dermatologist to get some extra help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to use Vicks to treat and cure toenail fungus. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.